Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how windy it is out here in the Midwest. We had to already fix the part of the fence behind the garden beds. It was blowing down. I hope it stays up. We just propped it up. But it is really windy. I have a friend that already lost power, and you can hear it. And also the huge Christmas tree in the town, it blew over, I heard. Look at the skies. I don't know if that is storm or dust, but it's like very cloudy, very gloomy. But over there the sun's out. Look at the leaves whipping past. Yeah, so keep everybody in the Midwest, like, of course, Kentucky, Illinois, Nebraska, Missouri, Kansas, in your prayers, guys. And I gotta get back to Christmas cards, so you guys have a blessed day. Love y'all. God bless. Bye.